When replace the horizontal shooting block, it is very easy. Here, I circled in red. There are two screws. Disassemble these two screws, and there are another two screws on the back here. This one and this one. These two screws can disassemble this block, replace this block, and disassemble these two screws. You can replace this block. It is very easy to replace the horizontal shooting block. And for the mold on the bottom, we preparing a full size mold for you, so that can make you very easy to replace it. Here, first tear off this air tube, and then loosen these 4 screws and these 2 screws. Then you can tear off this part. Can tear off it, and then loosen these screws, move it, and then loosen these 2 and these 2 screws. Then this complete mold can mold off, and then replace that another one. Okay.